Hello everyone, I'm Othai in the United States. As you see, I took our clothes to the deck for the sun. The reason is the dryer drum crack. In fact, the dryer still work great. Just early today, the sun is strong. I would like to take the clothes dry in the sun, that's all. I put the foil tape cover at the crack area, and when I add not many layer, the dryer turning around and some maybe the air push up make the foil open and the clothing stick on the glue. I don't like it. I had a video 4 years ago from today. I show how I did with the crack drum and keep using it. This is the washer and the dryer LG. We have this since 2008. You can calculate how long ago. They work great. Until now, just the dryer drum crack. That bothering me a little bit. I worried about fire. My husband always told me, don't use the dryer when nobody home. Just use it when we are home. I told him we should consider to get a new one sometime, but not so soon because it still works good. I put more foil tape and someday I tape on the white plastic as you see here, and then the drum didn't turn. At first I thought the dryer didn't work, and I realized because of the tape stick on that white plastic area that stopped the drum turning, and then I figured out and put the tape under the plastic, and this is the tape foil. At very first time I used that black tape, the rubber tape, and my husband told me it is unsafe because if too heat they may cause fire. Then put the foil. These are all set, the dryer and washer. I came here on the 1st May in 2008 and I used it for a week, I guess. This is the washer. I didn't take photo of the dryer, and this happened to me. It broke, and then my husband just ordered a new one, as we have been using until today. This caused us to have experience take our laundry to the store. This is our friend. The new washer and dryer supposed to delivery in a week, and the thing that happened was the dryer was cracked, and my husband did not happy at all. The seller we purchased from Lowe offer for discount. My husband said no, just take it back and bring new one. That's caused us to wait another longer. Total time that we took the clothes to laundry about a month. That's it. Thank you for listening to me. Bye.